Now for some additional practice for those of you working on multiplying multi-digit numbers using the standard algorithm, let's do 731 times 24. We'll be adding up 24 groups of this amount. First thing I'm going to do is estimate, of course. 731 is close to 700. 24 is close to 20. So my final answer is going to be close to 14,000. So it's going to be in the tens of thousands. Okay, let's get started. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 tens, that's 12 tens, right? 12 tens. 4 times 7 hundredths is 28 hundredths, plus 1 more is 29 hundredths. There's my 900, and the 20 hundredths was really the same as 2,000, right? It adds up to the same amount. Now we're ready to multiply 20. So we've already multiplied 4 groups of this amount, 731. Now we need to multiply 20 groups of that amount. So since this is a 20 and not just a 2, I need to indicate that all the answers I'm about to write down here are 10 times greater than if that was just a 2, because this is 20. So I put my 0 there to make sure all my answers are represented as 10 times greater. 2 times 1, even though it's not a 2, right? It's a 20. 20 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And it actually goes into the right value place since I put that 0 there to hold the place. And 2 times 3 is 6, but we know that's really 600, right? And because of that 0, that's in the right place. Just works out. 2 times 7 is 14. And there we are. 4, 4, 15, 7, 17,544 is my final product. Let's do a couple more. Go ahead and write these down with me. 264 times 34. 264 times 34. All right, let's start as if it was we were just adding up 4 groups of 264. 4 times 4 is 16. That's 1 group of 10 and 6 ones. 4 times 6 tens is 24 tens, plus 1 more is 25 tens. There's my 5 tens. And there's my 20 tens, which is the same as 2 hundredths. And then there's 4 times 200, which is 800, 900, 1,000. And there I am. Now, I'm finished with those. I'm on to my next step. I've already multiplied 4 groups of 264, and that comes out to be 1,056. But now I'm going to be multiplying 30 of each of those amounts. So since it's not a 3, it's a 30. If I want to use this standard algorithm and have it come out correctly, I need to put that 0 there because that's indicating that that's a 30, not just a 3. So 3 times 4 is 12, right? And but we knew that was really 30 times 40, right? Which was 120. And that's what we got, 120. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 more is 19. And again, it wasn't 3, it was 30. That's why it's a larger amount. It's not, I didn't put that in the tens place, right? 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. And then let's add this up. Oops. 8,976 is our final product.